Get ready to grab your gardening supplies. All right, hello and welcome to
Gardening with Miss Ana and Emi. So, hi guys, I'm here with my mom and here are the materials that you will need. So, first you will need your seeds. You may have one bean and you may have two beans, and my mom is dropping them off.
All right, now I'm setting them on the porch, and we set up little heart-shaped containers. Show them the heart-shaped container. And that's where you'll find your seeds in your goodie bag.
Yes.
And you might hear chickens in the background because we have chickens.
And so you'll also need like a small plastic plate or basically any flat thing, plastic. And if you have these small plant trays, you could also use those. And you'll need some paper towels and water.
Where did you learn to do this?
My dad taught me, and we were doing a planting project.
Because we're going to make a big giant garden, right? So this is how we start the seeds.
Now, you want to separate the different types of seeds. So one will be for bean, let's say this one's for bean, and one will be for the peas. Now, what you want to do is you want to take off one paper towel, and you want to get this plate kind of good and wet. Now you want to spread it a little bit.
We asked Daddy if we could use paper plates. Should we use paper plates for this?
No, because it would soak through and it wouldn't work.
But you can use any kind of hard plate, right?
That is plastic.
Or hard plate. It won't soak up water.
Yeah. And so now, if your paper towels are smaller than this, then you can fold it only in half. But if they are big like this, then you'll want to fold it into fourths. Now, if you put your paper towel in and get it nice and moist, so make sure that it's good and moist. You might need to move the water around a little bit. So now the paper towel is nice and moist. You're going to take one of your seeds and peel back one of the layers and put the seed in. Now you just cover it back and leave it here.
We're going to leave them outside?
No. Make sure that it's in a dark place, because if it's light, that'll be too hard on the seed because the seed hasn't really seen light yet.
So we're going to put it like in our living room near the window, but not like directly in the sun?
Put it in a dark place, like maybe, like my dad put the seeds that we did under the table so that they were nice and dark.
Okay.
Now we're going to repeat this process with, this broke, with the peas.
All right.
And it's okay if your paper towel breaks, just do a different one. Now, you're going to fold it into fourths again and do the same process.
So, how long does it take for the seeds to start? Like, how long are you going to leave it under the table?
Until you start to see roots, and if you start to see roots, then watch the next video.
All right. We'll also should we show some pictures of some in process at the end of this?
Sure.
All right. And how did you know which seed is which?
You should be able to recognize the difference of the bean and the peas.
Well, which one is that?
This one is the pea, and this one under here
Hold up
is
the pea.
the bean.
Hold up the pea. Hold it by your hand, by the plastic. Yeah. All right. And we sent those in the little care package because we thought it would be fun for you guys to do something hopeful and practical. All right.
Bye.
All right. Thanks for watching. Again, this was Gardening with Miss Ana and Emi, and there is a chicken.
Materials. Seeds. You can collect them as you eat food. Paper towels, toilet paper, and paper bags will also work. Dirt. Kathy has a big pile of dirt. Let her know if you need dirt. Trays. Use real plates or planter trays. Water. Any fresh water will do. Remember, store your trays in the dark until you see roots.
Watch the next video for the next steps. Thanks for watching.